We are entering the park for the first time in like 2 months.
We are so excited.
We are. This is my first time driving on the new asphalt.
Where the camera's just being blinded by the sun.
Oh my Lord! Isaac, look in front of you.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my
Whoa!
This is the most insane sight that I think I've ever seen at the park.
People in, it's open.
Insane. We have some exclusive ERT tonight for pass holders, and we have a list of some things that are coming soon. Yo! The new entrance area over here at the front of the park looks so incredible. The new Six Flags Over Texas marquee sign. And now Silver Star Carousel has its own signage, which looks really incredible. I'm so excited that the season has officially started here at Six Flags Over Texas. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
This is your first time here since before?
This carousel was pink.
Yeah, he hasn't been here since Tormenta was put up, so this is kind of crazy for him. Josh just asked, does this area look any different? And I'm like, yeah, there's a big lawn ornament in front of us. As you can see, they have put most of the station up. The roof is done, and they have a little chimney, which I'm thinking could also be an elevator. And in the past couple of days, if you can kind of see, they have put the storage area in place. Here is a great view from inside of the trading post of the area. You can see kind of the foundation work that has been going on for the new restaurant. And here's a much better look at the station and what's going on with that. And just the overall ride. Look how crazy this is, that new element right there. Wow. All right, after quite a long time to wait for some Cinnabon, it is now time to enter the fast lane line for El Aserradero and take a ride on Flume 1. Those operations are so bad it's nighttime now. We probably waited 30 minutes in line for that. That was terrible. The fast lane entrance is new. No. Oh wait, yes it is, let's go. It is brand new. They added a new pathway for it. Are you excited for Runaway Mountain?
I'm very excited for it.
Where are you? Give your thoughts on the new cubby system.
Those are great.
They are. I'm so happy that you don't have to go through this door anymore.
Have you ever heard of
Runaway Mountain was running so good tonight. What did y'all think of that?
I thought you said it was rough.
I said it was really great.
Oh, you must have been talking about the brakes.
Oh yeah, the brakes are terrible on Runaway
No,
Mountain.
they're horrible.
We are gonna head over to Titan now. All right, so we will not be riding Texas Giant tonight just because we don't really have time before ERT in Gotham City starts. But I did want to point out that we have a new fast lane and general queue system here at Giant. So as you can see, the general queue now goes under the station, and there's some new staircases that go up. We will get a much better look at that tomorrow morning. And now these staircases are only utilized for fast lane use, which is going to be incredible. I'm really excited to see that. And also, you can only enter down there. You can't squeeze through here anymore, which is a little unfortunate, but yeah, let's head over to Titan. Yes, this is actually my first time seeing the new digital ride boards here at Over Texas. Now, of course, they don't have the wait times on there yet. Sorry, Isaac. But you can see the middle is now the fast lane entrance. So they aren't like weird now. You can see that this pathway has kind of been changed for fast lane. Used to go up here and through the exit, but now you have this little dedicated pathway for fast lane, which is really nice. This, in my opinion, is something that needs to be fixed as soon as possible. The station being this full, you can barely ever find an actual road that you don't get cut in. It is really annoying when you have to deal with this amount of people in such a tight space. The train is at the mid-course, and they haven't even started checking restraints yet. The way that they're operating right now is not the best. Granted, it is opening day right now, but still. Just got off of a ride there on Titan. It is running so good. I'm so glad I was able to get back on that today instead of tomorrow. We had no intention of coming here tonight, so I am having a lot of fun. It low-key does look like American Thunder. As you can see, they have added the new single-use fast lane little kiosk here. It looks incredible. Obviously, they haven't wired it up fully and it's not working right now, but it looks really incredible. And they have moved the test seat over here. So I cannot wait to ride this tomorrow. Also, new fast lane sign. Honestly, I think fast lane fits here a lot better than Flash Pass, and I think it works a lot better than Flash Pass. I do kind of wish that they had the wristband system here. During my visits to Fiesta, Texas, I got to experience the wristband system, and in my opinion, it was a lot better than the online system because people have device issues. It's just a lot easier for someone to scan their pass and you get a wristband. You don't have to get your pass out or your fast lane out when you walk up to a line. So let's go to Mr. Freeze. This is my first view of Mr. Freeze since the refurbishment, and I can already see so many updates. The ice cream music is way louder.
Yeah, the ice cream music. I never even noticed that.
Yeah, they added that late last season. They repainted the entirety of the head. They redid the sign. I wish they had lights on it, but it looks so good. Oh, wow. Just so we can get on quicker before ERT starts, we are gonna go through fast lane. But look at that brand new sign. That looks incredible. Holy. We have a brand new fast lane entrance. Let's see what this looks like. It looks like it's not really themed yet. Oh, it goes straight into the forward side station, doesn't it? Whoa. Yeah. Look at this brand new station. It looks so nice. This is my first views of it here in person. Oh my goodness. That looks so much better than what I had seen. What do you think? This is your first time seeing it. You haven't seen any leaks. Yeah. Look at all this. Wow. The brand new Freeze. Wow, this is so cool. Dude, this is the best I think I've ever seen Freeze. It looks so much nicer in here, dude.
There's no contest on which one's better now.
Yeah. Look at this. What did you just say to me?
Short park.
If this rides short parks right now, I'm gonna be so angry with you.
If it happens, it's because of the Zamperla feature.
Oh yeah. Zamperla. This might be the curse. We're good.
That's what everything was.
Yeah, I was gonna talk to Jeffrey before we had left real fast, but I didn't have enough time. Dude, that is such a good ride. I love this thing. I forgot, I missed this thing so much. I love this. Batman is looking great. They have refurbished the queue, and it is officially time for ERT. For the pass holders. Let's go. As you guys can see, they have split the queue line in half, and it is now general queue and fast lane. So you no longer have a merge point in the queue line. Actually, you might. I'm not sure. It might be in the station. It might be down the stairs. Oh, wow. That's interesting. That's going to be fun to walk through. They redid the cop car. Now they have working lights. And here is where the fast lane comes back. And they have pretty much closed off of the stairs. And yeah, so looks good. Let's see the reveal. Sorry, I'm blocking the light for you guys. It's a little bit much. Wow. So yes, we love the theming upgrades here at Batman, but unfortunately there is still one train that is fully dismantled. So we will not be having 2 train ops for a couple of weeks. It is stuck on 1 train, unfortunately. But hey, at least we get to ride it today. Take a look at this incredible theming. Wow. So much nicer here at Batman. Just got off of Batman the Ride. What did you think?
I thought it was a really good ride. I think Great White is still better, but
Yeah, I
it
would
was
agree.
fun and it was going really fast.
It was going very fast. It has been running since 10:30-ish this morning when they started testing. But yeah, I think that is still the third best Batman clone in the
Great state of Texas.
In the great state of Texas, but it is still running a lot better. First look at the queue line. Look at this. I've not been down here to see this in person yet. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Wow. Look at that.
This is now cool.
What an upgrade. This is easily the best themed roller coaster at Six Flags Over Texas. Now, I know some people were asking if they were gonna add a pre-show, and you know, I think you could categorize it both ways, whether it's a pre-show or not. I kind of hope we do get to see it in the queue line. There is a bit of a, you kind of see it over there. There's a Batman target, and this gun will shoot Batman. Snow will start to fall. The lights will go red. I think this might be Dr. Diabolical for me.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. Great job to the teams here at Six Flags Over Texas. It looks genuinely incredible. I can't wait to experience this more throughout the season, and even just tomorrow, I can't wait to see this. It's so cool. Here's the pre-show. You can kind of see they're lining up the thing for Batman over there. Here we go, guys. Oh yeah. Here it goes. Oh, yo. That's sick. And as you can see, Freeze is just broke, but like that's so cool. Wow. They've got some new forward blast and reverse blast signs. Looks good. I still can't get over how incredible this looks. Never in my life did I think a roller coaster at this park would have something like this in the queue line.
This has better theming than Universal Kids.
Well, Universal Kids isn't open yet, so we'll have to see, but I wouldn't doubt it. It just trouble lighted and shut down. That's real unfortunate. But hey, we're in line. And there's the trouble light again. All right, we found Josh from JV Thrills here. I know you've been all day. You also attended a media event this morning.
From 11 a.m. till now, I have not ridden Freeze all day. I was gonna do it sooner when it was open, but we rode Aquaman and stuff, and we just, getting some updates and stuff. And we literally sat there, getting ready to get launched, and it broke down on us.
Yep. But hey, what do you think of all the theming upgrades?
Now, they did an amazing job with Freeze. Negative things like this happen. You cannot get mad at the park. You can't control it. It's like when your Wi-Fi doesn't work. Like, it happens. So the park is doing a great job. They're actively trying to fix it right now. They're sure that they care. We're already 60 minutes past ERT. Yep. And there's still a lot of people here, but they still want to try to get it open. So props to the park.
Yes,
they're doing great with all these kind of issues.
Yeah.
Give them slack, guys. They're doing great.
Yes.
So.
I think they are. It is opening day, so of course there's going to be problems with rides and everything. Like we waited maybe 30 minutes for El Cerradero when we had Fastlane. I think the theming upgrades are incredible.
Theming's insane. It's getting poltergeist, like the way that they did it.
Definitely.
AC is not there yet, but remember they're just getting started.
Yeah.
Tomorrow will probably be better.
Yeah.
Next week will be even better, and it'll progressively get better.
Yeah, absolutely.
So,
But let's just continue waiting out the downtime.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm waiting it out. I'm thugging it out.
We got it cycling again, guys. We are back. It's time to get this thing reopened for the rest of ERT. Let's go. It's open. Let's go. Shout out to the team here at Over Texas for getting this back open for us. Let's go take our last ride of the night here at 9:45 p.m. I think it overparked. Turns out they're moving everyone over to the other side of Freeze, even though this is the more problematic side.
I love how the security guys are just standing and watching the video.
Yeah. How ambient is this music? That is going to do it for our couple of hours here. There is a Fiesta ad right in front of us. here at Six Flags Over Texas opening weekend. We had a lot of fun, even though we didn't get to ride much. I personally will be here tomorrow. I mean, as you're watching this today. So if you guys decide to see, I will be up editing this until 2 a.m. That is going to do it for our day here at Six Flags Over Texas. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See ya.